Welcome to another Thrift with Me video. I'm going to be taking y'all along with me for 2 weeks worth of thrifting, and I'm just going to be showing you the highlights of what I'm finding, the best of the best in my area, and then I'm going to come on back home, style everything up for you, and give you a comparison of retail versus what I paid for it. So come along with me and let's head on out to go thrifting. Hi, I'm Janine. Thrifting and shopping secondhand has been a part of my life for the last 15 years, and I've been able to curate the wardrobe of my dreams over the years, as well as decorate my home by shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, consignment shops, the Goodwill outlet, and Facebook Marketplace. If you like secondhand outfit inspiration, upcycling, thrift flips, and home decor ideas, just keep watching to see Jane Thrift. Just walked into Goodwill and they had 2 new racks, and I totally scored. I still have to check a lot of these things out if they're going to fit me. I even found some gifts for some people, so I'm not going to show those. But these really cool jeans. Look at all the patchwork. These are so cute. Never heard of Gonda, that brand, so we'll see. But totally out of season. But this is, where are you? Where are you, tag? Free people. Free people, y'all. This is so cute. This is brand new tags. Retails for $128, $5.99. The jeans are $6.99. Another brand new with tags Free People sweater retails for $148, $5.99. How cute is that? Okay, one more piece, just because I love graphic tees, especially if they're Western. Cute little Life is Good t-shirt, and that's $3.99. All right, we're in the fitting room. I'm going to try these 4 pieces on, and hopefully they work. Here is the Life is Good t-shirt. This is super cute. This is definitely a thumbs up. The graphic with the cowboy boots and the blue bonnets, which is my state's flower. I just love it. I can see this style with a kimono, jeans. I have other pants that I can wear with this, shorts. This is definitely a keeper. This Free People sweater. Oh my gosh. Look at the sleeve. Has these little toggle buttons. I'm really curious to know what this is made of, but I'm heading into summertime, but I just cannot pass this up. It'll be a while till I'm able to wear it, but love this. This is a very big no. I love the sleeve. Love the sleeve. No, does not fit right. Okay, this will definitely find a new home very quickly. It just won't be mine. It's unfortunate that the patchwork jeans don't fit. But again, I think that these are going to get snatched up really quickly once I put them back. Back here at the glassware, I see one of these. These are so cute. $1.99. If I can find more of them, I will get them. Let's see first. And oh, I wanted to show you this. I thought this mug was so adorable. I'm not sure where it's from, but little whale. Okay, I'm gonna search for those glasses. I just found this leather bag here. This is so cool. It's called, the brand is Tarnish. And I just really loved the leather studs on here and the slouchy nature of it. And I love this light tan. I have one other piece that I found. I found these loft hot pink eyelet shorts. Love these so much. Perfect for summer. Okay, the bag is $6.99 and the shorts are $4.99. This time around, I have to say I didn't necessarily get a huge quantity of pieces. I got 4 items, but I am really, really happy with all of these pieces that I got. And if you have not seen it, I did do a closet clear out kind of edit video, and it's kind of, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to move forward with thrifting even for myself. I'm working on a new method that is a lot more intentional, and I will be sharing that with you. This video, as far as me shopping, that was probably about a month ago. These videos take me about 4 weeks to produce, to be able to do the shopping, and then if I do any DIYs in there, it takes some time, and then I actually do wear these items for the day. I don't just try them on just for the video. So now I'm going to go through all 4 of these pieces and compare retail to what I paid, and then I'll show you how I styled them up. I have this Tarnish leather studded hobo bag. This is just scrumptious. It retails for $198 and I paid $6.99. I am truly loving the color of this tarnish leather bag. Oh, this is so good. I have leather bags, but most of them are darker. And so this warm, very light tan color, so beautiful. I love these unique studs that are leather covered. This is a really nice bag. It has like a lot of compartments too that I love. Has the magnetic closure, then also has the clip in there, and then it has 3 different sections, one of them being a zipped pocket that I love to be able to put, you know, my money and cards and stuff like that. But I paired it with this Anthropologie top. I've had this for close to 5 years, I believe. I did get this one retail, but I have modified it a little bit. I think a couple years in, I leaned up against something and snagged it and made a hole in the bottom. So I took off several inches of it and I actually like it better. So was it fate to be able to have that hole happen? I don't know. But I did keep the fabric. I haven't used it yet in any of my upcycles, but I plan on doing that. I have this Anthropologie necklace. I think I got this one on Poshmark as well. And then I have these loft jeans. I love the wide leg crop with the raw edge. I got these at Amelia's Fashion Exchange at a local consignment shop, and I decided to go really matchy matchy with the shoes with the handbag, which I don't typically do, but I think that this is a fun way to do it. I have these, I think these are Matisse. They are coconuts by Matisse. I love the woven kind of rattan look of these. I got these at, it was some buy sell trade shop in Fort Worth when we were traveling through there sometime. But I always love stopping in at that shop. If I remember the name, I will put the name here on the screen. But really love this look. I also decided to do a little something different with my hair now that it's getting a little warmer. I tried my hand at a French braid, which I haven't done in absolute years, but thought I'd give it a shot, and I think it turned out okay. So, little fun look. I think the hair always makes a difference with your outfits. So it's a fun little change up for me and love the entire look. We have the Loft Hot Pink Eyelet Shorts. They retail for $65 and I paid $4.99. All right, these hot pink shorts. You may not think that hot pink eyelet lace shorts have a lot of options with how to wear them, but I had actually a difficult time like narrowing down which one I wanted to wear first. But I decided to go really bold with the entire look and pair it with this Farm Rio shirt that I got at Amelia's Fashion Exchange. And then I went even another step further and added this very bold beaded multi-strand necklace that is from originally from Anthropologie that I got on Poshmark. And then on my feet I have these pom-pom shoes that are really bold and colorful as well. And these are Anthropologie I got on Poshmark, as well as the handbag Anthropologie from Poshmark. This wicker bag is so much fun. And I think the boldest part about this outfit is deciding to straighten my hair on a very hot and humid day. Don't know why I decided to do that, but it looks cute right now. I'm probably not going to do a follow-up with how this looks a little bit later in the day, but anyhow, I really love this and I really love these shorts. They are so comfortable. I know a lot of y'all have mentioned how much you love eyelet lace as well. It's a bit of an obsession with me. So I think some of y'all can relate. The Free People Day by Day pullover, new with tags, retails for $148 and I paid $5.99. As I mentioned in the fitting room, this Free People sweater is definitely seasonally inappropriate as it is the middle of June, but I wanted to show you how I am going to be styling this. So I put together this look and this is making me already wish for fall. And I don't want to do that because I like to enjoy the season that I'm in, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to take a picture of this and wear this in the future. But I did also mention, I was wondering what the content was of this, and it is mostly cotton, but it also has some polyester and viscose and elastane in it, but it is incredibly soft. And I love this sleeve. I love all the details with the buttons and this dramatic collar. So what I'm doing is pairing it with these green wide leg pull-on pants. And then I just have a tank top underneath here that is a very similar color. And then I have some charms up here on the necklace. I have a cream color hat. This is an Anthropologie piece I got on Poshmark. The pants are actually easel. I got those at Amelia's Fashion Exchange. And then I have this crochet colorful handbag tote. And then I have these Silent D zebra print clogs that I found at Things from the Heart. And I think in total, this is going to be such a fabulous look. I'm so excited, and you will be seeing me in this maybe in November. So I have a ways to go, but definitely going to keep that in the photo diary. The Life is Good cowboy boot graphic t-shirt, well, it retails for $29. I paid $3.99 and I did a thing. I did a DIY, not filming it, because I am working on some designs of what I can do for an upcycled clothing line that I'm going to be launching hopefully soon. So this is just an idea of what I wanted to do. So I really took my time to figure all this out. And this is what I created with the eyelet peplum, and I made it really nice, wide and boxy fit, and I love this. Now, I'm not completely done with this. I haven't had enough time to do some tea staining, and I want to make this look really vintagey with the white. So I'm going to wear it one time with it as the white lace, and then I'm going to tea dye it, tea stain it, and I'm also doing several other pieces at the same time that you'll be seeing in some future videos. So you can definitely see the technique of how I do tea staining. Here is the upcycled Life is Good t-shirt with the white eyelet here at the bottom. I'm loving this new big boxy shape, and I think that this can be done in so many different combinations, and I'm really excited. And also I really think this is going to look really cute with like that vintagey look on the lace once I do tea stain this. So I really love this design, and I think that it can fit a whole wide range of sizes, which is what I'm trying to accomplish with some of these designs I'm working on. I want these to be some very, very size inclusive, so you can wear them, for many different sizes. So I'm really excited about this. It's just a matter of me getting enough time to do all of this. I did pair it with just a cute little statement necklace here. I have a scarf as a bracelet and a little hat as well. I love this whole funky Western vibe. I have some distressed wide leg jeans, my fringe handbag, and then my Birkenstock sandals really completes the look. And this is a very exciting new step for me to move in this direction. And I am so thrilled to be able to share it with y'all. I cannot wait until I can launch this for y'all. For all four of these pieces, the total retail amounts to $440, and I paid a total of $21.96. That's a difference of $418.04. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really always have a lot of fun thrifting with y'all, and I'd love to hear from you. What is your latest thrift find? Please comment below. And if you had a favorite of these pieces, I would love to hear which one was your favorite. And if you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you've not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you here. Subscribe to be part of our thrifted and secondhand family. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.